1. 1933 Ford Model 45 Window Coupe. Price, $35,000, located Broken Arrow, Oklahoma. The 1933 Ford Model 45 Window Coupe is a traditional American hot rod that combines classic pre-war styling with proven big block Chevrolet performance. Built with an original steel Henry Ford body, this coupe maintains the authentic character that collectors and enthusiasts appreciate while offering the power and reliability expected from a well-equipped street rod. Finished in a straightforward hot rod style, the vehicle presents an excellent foundation for continued enjoyment or further customization. Power comes from a General Motors 454 cubic inch V8 engine paired with a turbo-hydramatic 350 automatic transmission. This drivetrain combination has long been respected for its durability, strong torque output, and dependable operation. The car runs and drives, making it suitable for cruising, local events, and weekend gatherings. Its classic 5-window coupe body style remains one of the most desirable designs from the early hot rod era. The seller notes that the vehicle could benefit from some additional attention and minor improvements, making it an appealing option for enthusiasts who enjoy personalizing their vehicles. With its steel body construction, powerful big block engine, and timeless appearance, this 1933 Ford Model 40 offers classic hot rod appeal and strong potential for future enjoyment. 2. 1935 Ford Truck. Price, $35,000, located Pleasant Hill, Missouri. The 1935 Ford Truck is a unique hot rod project built from a Factory 5 racing kit and offers an excellent opportunity for enthusiasts seeking a modern interpretation of a classic pickup. This vehicle was originally purchased as a complete kit and assembled with performance and drivability in mind. Featuring fenders and running boards that are often omitted on similar builds, this truck maintains a more traditional appearance while benefiting from contemporary engineering and construction techniques. Power comes from a Blueprint Engine's 306 cubic inch Ford the 5/8 paired with an automatic transmission. The engine was professionally dyno tested and produced approximately 390 horsepower, providing strong performance and excellent reliability. Although the truck has only accumulated a very limited number of miles since completion, it remains in drivable condition and is ready for the next owner to complete according to personal preferences. The fiberglass body panels have not yet been painted, giving buyers the freedom to choose their own finish and style. Combining modern performance, classic truck styling, and significant investment in quality components, this 1935 Ford truck represents an outstanding custom hot rod project with tremendous potential. 3. 1933 Plymouth 5-Window Coupe. Price, $27,000, located Muncie, Indiana. The 1933 Plymouth 5-Window Coupe is a distinctive custom hot rod that blends classic coupe styling with dependable V8 performance and modern suspension upgrades. Finished in yellow with a tan interior, this eye-catching vehicle stands apart from more common Ford-based builds and offers enthusiasts an opportunity to own a unique pre-war street rod with strong mechanical specifications and timeless appeal. Under the hood is a 383 cubic inch V8 engine paired with a 700 R4 automatic transmission. This combination provides strong acceleration, highway-friendly cruising capability, and proven reliability. Power is transferred through a robust Oldsmobile and Pontiac rear axle assembly equipped with 3.73 gearing and a 4-link suspension system. Adjustable coilover shocks further improve ride quality and handling characteristics while enhancing overall performance. The classic 5-window coupe body features the distinctive styling cues that made early Plymouth models popular among custom car builders. The vehicle offers an excellent balance of vintage appearance and modern drivability. Whether displayed at automotive events or enjoyed on weekend cruises, this 1933 Plymouth Coupe delivers character, individuality, and the unmistakable presence of a traditional American hot rod. 4. 1932 Ford 3-Window Coupe. Price, $65,000, located Afton, Oklahoma. The 1932 Ford 3-Window Coupe is a beautifully customized deuce coupe that combines iconic styling with modern comfort, technology, and performance. Widely regarded as one of the most desirable hot rods ever produced, this example has been thoughtfully upgraded to provide an exceptional driving experience while maintaining the classic appearance that enthusiasts admire. Finished in burgundy with a black leather interior, the vehicle offers both visual appeal and everyday usability. Power comes from a Ford 351 Windsor V8 engine equipped with a Holley carburetor and MSD ignition system. An automatic overdrive transmission provides smooth shifting and comfortable highway cruising. Additional mechanical upgrades include a Ford 9-inch rear axle and four-wheel disc brakes that enhance both performance and safety. The fiberglass-bodied coupe is equipped with numerous convenience features including electric windows, power door locks, a tilt steering wheel, automatic trunk operation, air conditioning, heating, and an Apple CarPlay audio system. Suicide doors with deadbolt latches add both style and uniqueness. Combining classic hot rod heritage with modern amenities, this 1932 Ford offers an outstanding blend of comfort, performance, and show quality appeal. 5. 1941 Ford F1 Truck. Price, $23,000, located South Haven, Michigan. The 1941 Ford F1 truck is a custom-built classic pickup that delivers impressive performance while retaining the rugged charm of an early Ford truck. Finished in gray, this vehicle has undergone a complete frame-off restoration and represents a carefully rebuilt example designed to provide both excitement and reliability. Its timeless styling and powerful drivetrain make it an attractive option for enthusiasts who appreciate vintage trucks with serious performance capabilities. At the heart of the build is a massive 427 cubic inch V8 engine paired with a 4-speed transmission. This combination provides substantial power and a highly engaging driving experience. According to the seller, the truck offers remarkable acceleration and an aggressive exhaust note that perfectly complements its custom hot rod character. The restoration process included extensive work throughout the vehicle, resulting in a clean and well-presented truck that is ready for enjoyment. Its classic body lines, strong mechanical foundation, and performance-oriented upgrades make it suitable for car shows, weekend cruising, and collector ownership. This 1941 Ford F1 stands as a unique blend of vintage truck styling and powerful American V8 performance. 6. 1923 Ford T-Bucket. Price, $13,500, located Circle Pines, Minnesota. The 1923 Ford T-Bucket is a traditional hot rod that captures the spirit of classic American street rodding with its lightweight design, open-air driving experience, and dependable V8 power. Finished in black with a matching black interior, this fiberglass-bodied roadster presents a clean and aggressive appearance that remains true to the timeless T-Bucket formula loved by enthusiasts for decades. Power comes from a Chevrolet 350 cubic inch small block V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. This proven combination is known for durability, strong performance, and straightforward maintenance, making it one of the most popular choices among hot rod builders. The vehicle has been enjoyed by its current owner for several years and remains ready for cruising, local events, and weekend drives. The compact dimensions and lightweight construction contribute to lively performance and responsive handling. Its open cockpit design creates an authentic hot rod experience that attracts attention wherever it goes. With classic styling, reliable mechanical components, and a reputation as a true crowd favorite, this 1923 Ford T-Bucket represents an affordable and enjoyable entry into the world of traditional American hot rods. 7. 1928 Ford Hot Rod. Price, $14,000, located Antigo, Wisconsin. The 1928 Ford Hot Rod is a traditional custom build that combines vintage styling with a unique blend of Ford and Mopar performance components. Featuring a 1927 fiberglass body mounted on a well-prepared Model A chassis, this hot rod delivers the timeless appearance enthusiasts appreciate while offering dependable mechanical upgrades designed for enjoyable cruising and show participation. Finished in yellow with a brown interior, the car has a distinctive personality that separates it from more common street rod builds. Power comes from a vintage Mopar 318 Poly V8 engine equipped with factory dual-quad carburetors. The engine is paired with a push-button TorqueFlite automatic transmission, creating a classic drivetrain combination that provides both reliability and smooth operation. Additional performance features include a dropped front axle, front disc brakes, and a Ford 9-inch rear axle. The vehicle has approximately 6,000 miles on the build and includes documentation detailing the construction process. A well-finished interior further enhances comfort and presentation. Combining traditional hot rod styling, unique Mopar power, and quality craftsmanship, this 1928 Ford Hot Rod offers a memorable driving experience and strong collector appeal. 8. 1929 Ford Model A Coupe. Price, $8,925, located Promise City, Iowa. The 1929 Ford Model A Coupe is a classic hot rod that offers vintage Ford styling combined with dependable modern mechanical upgrades. Finished in black with a matching black interior, this custom coupe retains the unmistakable character of the original Model A while benefiting from a drivetrain designed to provide improved reliability and everyday usability. It represents an affordable opportunity to enter the world of traditional American hot rods. Under the hood is a Ford 302 cubic inch V8 engine paired with a 3-speed automatic transmission. This proven combination is widely respected for its durability, parts availability, and straightforward maintenance. Power is delivered through an S10 rear axle, creating a practical setup suitable for cruising and local driving. The vehicle remains in good overall condition and continues to offer the classic appearance that has made Model A coupes popular among enthusiasts for generations. The seller notes that the steering could benefit from adjustment, providing a future owner with an opportunity to further refine the driving experience. With its attractive price point, dependable V8 power, and iconic styling, this 1929 Ford Coupe is a solid classic hot rod choice. 9. 1932 Ford GT Deuce Coupe. Price, $85,000, located at St. Charles, Minnesota. The 1932 Ford GT Deuce Coupe is a premium custom hot rod built with high-quality components and exceptional attention to detail. Finished in black with a striking red interior, this freshly completed build captures the legendary appeal of the iconic Deuce Coupe while incorporating modern performance technology that elevates it far beyond a traditional street rod. With very limited mileage since completion, the vehicle remains in outstanding condition. Power comes from a supercharged LS Series V8 engine, a modern power plant known for delivering impressive horsepower, reliability, and efficiency. The engine is paired with an automatic transmission that provides smooth and responsive operation. The combination offers outstanding acceleration and performance while maintaining excellent drivability for road use. Built as a Dearborn Deuce, this coupe benefits from a reputation for quality construction and precise engineering. The vehicle presents beautifully both inside and out and is designed to perform as impressively as it looks. Combining classic Ford styling, modern supercharged power, and show-quality craftsmanship, this 1932 Ford GT represents an exceptional opportunity for collectors and serious hot rod enthusiasts. 10. 1929 Ford Rat Rod. Price, $32,000, located Marion, Iowa. The 1929 Ford Rat Rod is a custom-built hot rod that showcases creativity, craftsmanship, and classic American performance. Finished in black, this distinctive vehicle was acquired as an unfinished project and later completed into the unique machine it is today. Every aspect of the build reflects attention to detail, resulting in a rat rod that stands apart from typical street rods and attracts attention wherever it appears. Power comes from a Chevrolet 454 cubic inch V8 engine that provides impressive torque and dependable performance. The vehicle runs and drives well, making it suitable for cruising, shows, and automotive events. Its aggressive appearance is matched by a powerful exhaust note that contributes to its unmistakable presence on the road. The car has been displayed at major enthusiast gatherings, including TorqueFest in Iowa, where it received significant praise for both its styling and execution. Numerous handcrafted details become apparent upon close inspection, highlighting the effort invested during construction. Combining big block power, artistic design, and strong show appeal, this 1929 Ford Rat Rod represents a truly memorable custom hot rod with exceptional character. 11. 1934 Ford Deluxe. Price, $30,000, located Belton, Missouri. The 1934 Ford Deluxe is a beautifully preserved classic hot rod that combines timeless pre-war styling with years of careful ownership and maintenance. Finished in an attractive tan exterior complemented by a brown interior, this vehicle represents the type of traditional American street rod that continues to draw admiration from collectors and enthusiasts alike. Having remained with the same owner for many years, the car reflects a long-term commitment to preservation and enjoyment. Powered by a dependable drivetrain and maintained in very good condition, this Ford Deluxe offers a comfortable and enjoyable driving experience. The iconic body design features the graceful lines and distinctive styling elements that made the 1934 Ford one of the most recognizable automobiles of its era. Whether displayed at local car shows or driven on weekend cruises, the vehicle consistently captures attention with its classic appearance and vintage charm. Included with the sale are numerous additional hot rod and 1934 Ford parts collected over many years of ownership. These components provide added value and future customization possibilities. Combining classic styling, proven reliability, and long-term ownership history, this 1934 Ford Deluxe presents an excellent opportunity for enthusiasts seeking a traditional American hot rod. 12. 1930 Plymouth Coupe. Price, $18,000, located Beecher, Illinois. The 1930 Plymouth Coupe is a traditional all-steel hot rod that blends classic styling with proven American V8 performance. Finished in blue, this custom-built coupe retains the character of an early Plymouth while incorporating mechanical upgrades that enhance drivability and performance. The all-metal body construction adds authenticity and durability, making it an appealing choice for enthusiasts who appreciate genuine vintage craftsmanship. Under the hood is a Chevrolet 327 cubic inch small block V8 engine paired with a Muncie 4-speed manual transmission. This popular combination delivers strong performance and an engaging driving experience that allows the driver to fully enjoy the car's hot rod personality. Power is transferred through a dependable 10-bolt rear axle, while side exit exhaust pipes contribute to the aggressive sound and traditional appearance. The vehicle has received numerous upgrades, including new tires, updated valve covers, refreshed seating with new foam and covers, and classic slotted magwheels that complement the coupe's period-correct style. While the seller notes that the carpet and carburetor could benefit from additional attention, the car remains a solid and enjoyable hot rod with plenty of charm, character, and cruising potential.